Today we discuss important integration for the board examination 2021. Those students who appeared in the UP board examinations and CBSE and ISC, this integration is very important, so you should take care attention of this question. Question is that integration of cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. So how can we do this question? The first thing is that put x equal to tan theta. Put x equal to tan theta and differentiate both sides dx equal to sec square theta into d theta. Then it is that I equals to cos inverse 1 minus in place of x put tan theta tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. And value of the dx is sec square theta into d theta. And this is the formula for 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta equals to cos 2 theta. You may also learn this formula in class 11th, sec square theta into d theta. Cos inverse and cos both are cancelled, then 2 theta is left here. 2 theta into sec square theta d theta. Now 2 is the common. So now remaining theta into sec square theta into d theta. Now integration by parts. In according to Elliott, theta is the first part and sec square theta is the second part. So now integration by first part into integration of second part minus whole integration differentiation of first into integration of second. So now look at this question. I equals to 2 theta sec integration of sec square theta is tan theta minus integration d theta differentiation of d theta is 1 and sec square theta integration tan theta and d theta. So now I equals to 2 theta into tan theta. Now integration of the tan theta is that minus log cos theta. Minus log cos theta means minus plus log cos theta and the plus c. Now put theta equals to tan inverse x. Now tan inverse x and tan theta equals to x plus log cos theta. Value of the theta is the tan inverse x. Value of the theta is tan inverse x. Now cos tan inverse x plus c. And now change tan inverse x in terms of cos inverse. So you put triangle here. And the formula of tan is P upon B. Perpendicular upon base. Now find the third side, that is the hypotenuse, and hypotenuse is the sum of the perpendicular and base and is in under root, means 1 plus x square. So you write here I equals to 2 tan x into tan inverse x in ordered plus log cos and tan inverse cos inverse b upon h, to 1 upon under root 1 plus x square and plus c. Now cos and cos inverse cancelled, then log 1 upon under root 1 plus x square. That's okay.